To my channel GMZone, it's your boy. So on a review on QZ asset management. So my review on this platform, let us just read this particular message that is here. QZ is an asset management company trading stock and indices, meaning they are trading stocks and indices, which was found 10 years ago in China, GMZone. Well, from this, they say they are trading stock and indices, and it's been in existence since for 10 years ago. So, and they say they don't do forex trading, cryptocurrency, or anything at all aside from stocks and indices. So, furthermore, I read QZ has made asset management 100 million offer over subscribed recently. It was, in this process whereby they offer oversubscribed recently, and which not triggered Bloomberg.com and Facebook Yahoo that they currently have a regional office in South Africa and they are coming to Nigeria around April this year. They have big advertisements going at an international airport in Johannesburg, South Africa. No scam company will be bold to do all this. Why only say no scam company will be bold? They can be bold to do that. I must say they can be bold to do that. Just listen to what CJ Rem said.
If done right, actually, FTX was very anti-crypto. It just took advantage of the newness and the opacity in crypto to commit a large fraud.
Now you've been able to listen to what CJ Rem said. Okay, let me just go through whereby when this domain was created. They said 10 years ago, but note this: I do make a research about their domain creation. I made a research about their domain creation. QZ invest.africa. Okay. Domain creation date unknown. Domain expiration date is unknown also. Why this? Because I can remember the last time I checked it on ScamDoc, it was showing, but now it is not unknown. I now tried my possible best to check URL checker. I check URL checker. So I check URL checker. This is their website. So after checking URL checker, I later found, and it was known that this QZ asset management was created 2023 1st January 2022. Imagine. But the last time I checked it was around that 2016 that they said this thing was created. The domain creation, this was created, and they said they've been existing for about 10 years ago. So imagine a platform saying they've been in existence for over 10 years, meaning they just created this website January 1st, January 22nd, meaning they've been operating since some years ago without a domain, without a website. Who does that? And based on my and some other review I was able to make on this QZ, how do I get traffic to a website? Let's check that. Okay, it is ranked 1,434,000. Total visit 24,000 people that have visited so far, and you can see the traffic started from March now to April, meaning it has been growing from March upward from April. What about February? What about January? There is no data. It is to tell you that this website was created January 22nd, and for the fact that they are created, they were trying to get more traffic to the website, and which the traffic started from after the month it was created, which is 2023 January, February, now March. They started getting traffic. Now it's now going up from April. So guys, my review on this, to me, I will advise I must tell you, it's a platform made that can be paying right now. Yeah, good. But I must tell you, and I must say it, that QZ Asset Management, it's Ponzi. It's a Ponzi. It's a Ponzi. Maybe this is the part of the money they were already showing. They were giving $1.5 million. Imagine, who does that? Who gives high return investment? Why do you think the investment is gonna stay for that long? Let me tell you, quick Z investment, I'm giving it just three 3 to 5 months. It's going to crash. It's going to crash. 3 to 5 months, it will crash. That is what it is. It will crash because already they were becoming strange, I must say, because from what I make research about their domain name, it was showing a particular time that it was created. Later on, I went to check again. It's not telling me unknown, and I try in as much as possible to check email veritas. Email veritas is telling me that it was created January 22nd, 2023, and which is continue to start getting traffic from March to April, and the traffic started from March. There was nothing like February. There's no traffic between year. There's no traffic between year. The traffic started from year. Started from year. March started going up. April. So you see it like that, going up. So it's a Ponzi. It's a Ponzi scheme. Please, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you, for my review, I'm based on my research so far on this platform. Bro, this platform will not last not less than 3 to 5 months. It's what it is. It just came off from nowhere. Please know this for sure, that for QZ Asset Management to come down to Nigeria, so they've already go to a lot of countries all around recession, whereby they have to introduce their investment to them. Now Nigeria, I must tell you, Nigeria is the bus stop. They already know that Nigeria are ready, to give them what they want. It's a pyramid scheme now. Ponzi scheme, that's how they work. Nigeria, there's no country that does not know Nigeria. That is just one thing. See, this Nigeria that they've come to now is a bus stop. It's the last bus stop. That they know that this is our last bus stop, and we have to earn it. We have to collect it. Oh no, because I know what I'm saying. You understand? Nigeria is the last bus stop, which whereby they are at the moment they have gotten to Nigeria now. When you enter into a vehicle, you understand, the person has dropped this one to a particular state is going, this one has dropped this one to a particular state is going, but when it gets to the last bus stop is where passenger will end. This is the last bus stop that Nigeria will be the last passenger. Everybody is gone. South Africa is gone. Other countries are gone, and they are out of the bus already. Nigeria will not be the only one inside the bus. That is to tell you that be careful. Thank you.